Yeah. Ghetto dreams. Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Cause dancing with the devil lasts forever.
12 years old, little nigga on his grind. Out in the streets making money all the time. Never had that dad to teach him what was wrong, so we kicked it with the gangsters, gang banging all night long. His mama didn't care, so we never went to school. He saw a nigga die and he thought it was cool. Young Ray found ways to make that Skrilla. Cold days on the corner cause he was a drug dealer. Already up high but he wanna be higher. Trying to step it up cause he was getting so tired. One day Lil Ray was standing in the corner. Some niggas pulled up, told him that his life is over. Lil Ray panicked out and pulled out a gun. He pulled the fucking trigger but he only killed one. 2 of them ran, but 3 of them stayed. That beat that nigga's ass with his life he will pay.
Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Don't dance with the devil, it lasted forever. Cause dancing with the devil lasts forever.
They fucked that nigga up, 20 kicks to the dome. Blood on the ground as he laid there alone. All fucked up when he tried to get up. Lil Ray walked home, he didn't give a fuck. When he felt better, he was back in the streets. Mad as fuck, so you know he packed heat. He caught the nigga slipping and he started busting caps. He shot him in the head, and that's enough of that. Thinking he's a man, he went on a mission. About to kill the boss, but that nigga was tripping. Lil Ray went out, he went on the drive. He found the boss's house, so he parked it outside. Some niggas seen him pass and they pulled him out the car. They hit him in the head with a big metal bar. They pulled out a gap